Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech Drive. In this video, I am going to show you how to check your IP address in three methods. Now first method is just click on search and type CMD. Here you can able to see the command prompt, and now just click run as administrator. In that, now just type IP config and hit enter button. At end you can able to see your IP address. Now second method is just right click on start and go to settings. In left side click on the option network and internet, and on right side just click on the Ethernet, and here you can able to see your IP address, and you can also copy or edit whatever you want. Now third method is just click on search and type ncpa.cpl and just hit enter button. Now just click on Ethernet and right click and give status. Now currently I am not connected to my Ethernet. If you have connected, it will definitely show you the status, and in status you can able to see the IP address. In these three methods you can able to check your IP address. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all next video. Bye bye. Take care.